Hey, what's up guys, Spartan Gaming here, and we are back today on Dying Light, the following DLC on Xbox One, and we actually found a Freaks of Nature, the Holler boss. We were actually just driving by, of course joined by FNHusa57 and SG Active, and as you can see, this dude's like a big ass demolisher, and looks like he's, wow, taking a lot of damage now. We're going to try and take this guy down. Whoa. So we have all three of us. And I'm going to try and unload on this guy. This guy is no joke. So this is the first boss we've ever fought so far. If I can actually put upgrades on this. Alright. See if we can get this fucker's helmet off. Whoa, there we go. Shotgun and the SMGs are doing hell of damage. And all those explosives. There we go. Yeah, that SMG is really doing a number on it. It actually looked like he's gaining health there for a second. Reload that big boy. Go. Keep loading up the shotgun. Looks like we might be able to get to him. There we go. Helmet's off. This guy is messed up now. Some incendiary arrows onto him. Explosive for the win. He's down. What do I get for loot? A reward. That is crazy. He's like a demolisher times 20. So what's up with this reward here? I don't even know where it went. Let's see. I'm not seeing it anywhere. Maybe it was a spray paint shotgun, because I don't remember having this. Yep. Super Molotov. I really hope that wasn't all we got off this. Whatever. Whoa! Well, okay. I'm just gonna throw those out there because I don't really care about Molotovs. See here. No, I already had that. Alright. Guess that was it. Huh. Alright. Where'd my shotgun go? Alright, well yeah, that's probably gonna be that. This is probably gonna turn out to be a series. Of all of these bosses or freaks of natures, I guess as we should say it. So I'm gonna hurry up and get the fuck home, because it's now nighttime. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to smash that like button, because that was pretty cool. Hopefully you get some more cool shit. And yeah, leave a comment what you think about the video, and of course subscribe to my channel for more content, and don't forget to go ahead and check out FN's channel, and of course subscribe to him as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.